Hi students, today in this video we are going to discuss about transfer of heat by convection. In this module you will learn about the transfer of heat by convection. As we discussed in our Zoom class session the three different modes of a heat transfer. First one is a conduction, second is a convection and third is a radiation. This everything already we discussed in our Zoom class, but here now the experiment related to the convection in a liquid and gaseous medium, that only in this video we are going to see. And to carry out this experiment about the convection in a liquid medium, we need some particular materials, and to that only we are saying the requirements of the experiment. And here first now we will see the which material we require to carry out this experiment of the convection in a liquid. First one is a round bottom flask. Second is a tripod stand with a wire mesh. Then one candle, and here for as a heat source we can use the gas burner or the spirit lamp as per our availability. Then matchbox, straw and some potassium permanganate crystal along with the water. Here to set up this experiment, first we have to fill the round bottom flask at least half with the water. Then place that round bottom flask properly on the tripod stand, and if needed then we can take the help of a stand to hold or to give a support to the round bottom flask. Afterwards, with a plastic straw we here add some particular amount or some few crystals of potassium permanganate and allow this potassium permanganate crystals to settle at the bottom of the flask. After that, with a candle we will start to give a heat to the round bottom flask. Here if in our lab the gas burner or spirit lamp is available, then that also we can use to give the heat to the round bottom flask. And when water is heated, after few minutes if you will observe, then the water near the flame gets hot, and that we can understand with the help of the movement of violet color strips. See here the violet color strips are moving upside. Now here why like this way movement it is happening from bottom to down? Then here is the reason. What the first, the water molecules whatever present at the bottom near the flame of the candle gets heated and becomes warm and hot, and then these water molecules, hot water molecules, going upside, and from upper level the cold water molecules coming downside towards the heat to absorb the heat, and afterwards these also cooler water molecules becomes hot, and again that hot molecules goes upside, and continuously again the cooler water molecules from the side by comes down. So observe carefully here the movement of that violet strip. See, first it is going from bottom to upside, and then slowly from the both side again that violet strips are coming downside, means cooler water coming downside, and same time the hot water due to the change in their density going upside. Okay, and here like this way this convection occurs due to the movement of these water molecules, and this process continues till the whole water gets heated, and this mode of a heat of transfer is known as convection. Heat transfer in a liquid mainly takes place by the process of convection, and to understand the convection how it occurs in the gaseous medium, for that purpose here we are going to see the small activity with the help of two material. First one is the incense stick and second one is the candle. Then here you can see the burning incense stick and it's a smoke. Just now carefully you observe the smoke how it goes upside, means whenever we will burn any incense stick then just you observe the smoke how it moves. The direction of the smoke is from downside to upside, downside to upside. Then here, why like this way it occurs? Because the air molecules, whatever present near the upside end of incense stick, becomes hot, and that hotter air molecules goes upside and cooler air comes down, and this smoke also first reaches up to a particular height and then it spreads in all direction, and that's why only we can feel the fragrance in the room of that incense stick, because like this way the air molecules moves from first downside to upside and then in all directions. Then second here example is of candle. Okay, then next we will see the example activity of a candle. Here first we will glow the candle, and we have to keep or we have to place our hand at a safe distance exactly on upper side of the flame. Then after few minutes we will feel hot. Why? Because continuously that heat transfers occurs through the gaseous medium up to our hand. But if after that we will place our hand to the side of the candle flame, means first position what, exactly upside of the flame, and second time if we will place our hand on both the side, means right and left side of the flame, then that time we will not feel that much hot. So here we can understand convection is the mode of a heat transfer in both liquids and gases.